Dear students, good morning to everyone. This is Alagesan Armugam, the founder and director of Aisha-B PM360 company. Now we are going to see the recent changes in CBSE 10th standard mathematics. Before discussing about the changes related to this 10th standard CBSE mathematics, let me introduce myself first. I am Alagesan Armugam, an alumni of IIM Kozhikode, and did the executive postgraduate diploma in management with a specialization in strategic management and financial management in 2013. I have around 20 years of experience in the IT industry and worked for major companies like IBM, TCS, FIS. Also holding international certifications like PMP, PMI Risk Management Professional, PMI Agile Certified Practitioner certifications, all those certifications from PMI, and MSP Foundation as well as Practitioner certification from Axelos, and Safe Agilist certification from Scaled Agile Academy, and CSTM Certified Software Testing Manager from Global Association of Quality Management, and International Certification of Banking Risk and Regulation from Global Association of Risk Professionals. I am also a member of AMBA, PMI, and IIBA. I am involved in the educational services for the past 3 years from June 2016. I scored 100% of marks in 10th standard as well as 12th standard, and also achieved A+ grade in IIM in quantitative aptitude paper. So currently I am teaching for competitive exams, mathematics as well as project management certification. Fair enough. Now, what is changing in CBSE 10th exam 2020? There are a couple of changes we have it as part of these new changes. Okay. First one is they introduced 2 papers. Okay, mathematics standard as well as mathematics basic. What is mathematics standard? Mathematics standard is nothing but whatever questions we have so far, right? Whatever we have it in CBSE exam, right? It is nothing but mathematics standard. The basic was introduced right now. It is a level, difficulty level is little bit lower than when you are comparing with the mathematics standard. Okay, it is for the people who want to go in the science stream or any other stream, which after 10th, right? Like 11th or 12th, they want to go only for the science stream or any other stream which is not having any mathematics as a subject. They can go for this mathematics basic paper now. Okay, the students is having this option to choose that one. For example, if you are choosing mathematics basic, and then still you change your mind later and then you want to join CBSE law, right? One of the subject as mathematics means you are not able to do that. You are not eligible for that. So make sure, like if you are only going in the science stream or another stream which is not having mathematics, then you can go for this mathematics basic paper. The advantage here is like the difficulty level is less than mathematics standard here. So the idea is like those who are going in the science stream, which other streams which is not having mathematics, right? They can learn basic mathematics here and then they can move on there. That's it. So that is the first important impact actually we have it as part of the new change. Fair enough. So it is not going to impact the students, right? It is like going to add some value to the people and bringing flexibility for the candidates who wish to go in the science stream or any other stream which is not having mathematics as a subject there. Okay. So that's an added advantage we have it as part of this mathematics basic paper. The syllabus is one and the same for mathematics standards as well as mathematics basic. So there is no difference here in this case. Okay. And what is other change is like the question pattern is changed right now. Like the weightage for these objective questions, right? Like 1 mark question is more right now. It is increased from 6 to 20 right now. So 20 marks for 1 mark questions. That's another major changes we have it. Okay. These are the 2 key important changes we have it as part of CBSE 10th exam. Right? What is the latest announcement titled by CBSE? Fair enough. Apart from that, there is no change in the CBSE 10th exam 2020. Those who are going to appear 2020, right? Just bear this one in mind. So what you are going to get from Aisha-B, like a PM360 company, right? Like I launched a couple of courses for the CBSE 10th mathematics. Okay, one is online video sessions, which is a recorded version of the courses. We'll be getting it. The entire content will be available by end of May or beginning of June. Okay, and then after that, like we'll be having the practice test as well as like revision classes will be held there. The revision classes will be like is a instructor-led live class there. That is one of the greatest advantage of this particular course. Okay, and you will have these queries. Actually, if you have any queries, means you can write to me so that I can come up with the solution videos for this one. So everything will be taken care as part of this online video session. That's the first one. I already launched this course. Okay. The second one is instructor-led online classes for CBSE 10th Mathematics. Tentatively, I am planning to start on 4th of May. The announcement is not there as of now in the site. I am going to give the details about this one in a couple of days. So you can go and see the URL what is mentioned there, right? You can just go there and then see that. This is the URL, you can go and see that. Fair enough? Fine. What are the advantages you are going to get from my online video courses? Okay. What is the differentiating factor I have it from when you are comparing with other coaching centers? You have the opportunity to hear the sessions multiple times. So if you are going for a classroom session, you don't have the opportunity to hear it back, right? Like here you have, since the sessions are recorded here in this case, like you'll be in a position to hear the session multiple times. You can revise it. That's the first greatest advantage you have it when you are going for these online sessions, right? The second one is elimination of travel time to the coaching centers. For example, if you are in a city like Mumbai or Chennai or Bangalore, right, you require at least 2 to 3 hours of time for commute to the coaching center itself. Okay, that is eliminated here in this case. Okay, so you have the chance right now to eliminate the time, and then those 2 to 3 hours can be utilized for practicing more mathematics questions, or like you can use this one for preparing any other subjects you have it. Fine. And the third one is there is no commitment, right, from your end to sit at a particular time, right? For example, if you are going for a regular class, maybe the class will be 6 to 7:30 in the evening in this case. So you are committed to the particular time. You cannot move around. You need to go there. That's the commitment is there in this case. If you are going for a classroom session, but in my recorded video sessions, you don't have the time commitment like that. You are flexible to plan your time. That entire planning can be done by you, so that you can distribute the time effectively for preparing multiple subjects. So that's another advantage you have it. The next one, if you see there, like my practice tests are designed in such a way to prepare the candidates for any uncertainty in the exam. So that is another advantage you are going to get it. Since there are weightage of 1 mark questions right now is more right now, right? So I will be focusing more on this area to make sure you are scoring 20 out of 20 in that area. Okay. Finally, if you see the quality education is the mantra here, which suits everyone budget. See, my course, right, the fees is very minimal when you compare with any other course there. Okay. The point is like I come up with a plan like pay for 1 month as per the market rate and get the classes for 1 year. Assuming that like if you are giving 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per month for any coaching center, right? It may be the fees that you need to give it for me, like for the entire duration of the course itself for the 1 year. Okay. So I come up with a plan, a deep discount plan of 75% for this one. It makes sure you pay only 1 month of your fees, like as per the market rate, and then you will be getting the classes for 1 year. This will help the people who are not in a position to pay 10,000, 20,000 rupees for coaching alone. Okay, so now we are making the competition a level playing field for everyone. So that's the objective of me, and also I am giving this discount to make sure to promote the online education. Fair enough. The next one is like the course content for the recorded video sessions. So what are the things we are going to get it as part of this particular section? We'll be getting 200 plus recorded videos on the entire syllabus of CBSE Mathematics Class 10. Approximately it comes around 100 hours of video training. Fair enough? On top of that, you'll be getting 25 practice tests, right? With 15 chapter and test, with 5 combination of chapter test and 5 model exams. Okay? The weightage of the 1 mark question will be more in this practice test to make sure you are like adapt to the changes what is proposed in this particular exam. The third one is like live instructor led revision classes for 25 hours, okay, which focus more from the examination point of view and this will be conducted after completing the syllabus. Mostly like end of September till December we'll be having these classes. Mostly in the weekends we will be having these classes. Okay, and you have the opportunity to write queries related to any subject, right, to me, so that I will be in a position to consolidate the queries and then come up with the query videos for that. That will be shared by everyone, so that maybe some of the people may not be in a position to ask queries, like the queries may be there with different people also, right? Okay, so I just want to share the queries whatever is shared by the candidates to everyone, to make sure to eliminate the whatever doubts candidates are having there, right, in the subject. So these are different package things that we will be having it as part of the recorded video sessions. What more? I'm also giving this money back guarantee, 30 days money back guarantee for the candidates who are not interested to proceed with the course after 1 month. Means like actually they are not satisfied with the content, or they are not satisfied with the way I'm teaching, right? They can quit. Okay, that opportunity I'm giving it, because for me the satisfaction of the customer is important here. Fair enough? Fine. What are the contents we have it as part of the instructor-led online training? Here, if you see there are 100 plus live instructor-led online sessions. Classes are usually on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. in this case. Okay, this is Saturday. Okay, I just strongly mentioned here. 25 practice tests with the 15 chapter and test, 5 combination of chapter test, and 5 model exams. On top of that, we will be having these instructor-led revision classes, right? 25 hours, which focus more from the exam point of view. And this will be conducted after the completion of the syllabus. Mostly like it will be happening around actually September end to December. Okay. On top of all those things, we will be given 100 plus recorded videos based on the syllabus of CBSE mathematics class 10, which is coming as free for you with this course, which will help you to practice more questions there. Fair enough? Pricing options. When it comes to pricing options, we have only one pricing options we have it, that is one-time purchase. The mode of payment is credit card only. So those who are not having the credit cards, right, they can transfer the amount to the company account, which is given in the sales page. If you go there, login by side, you will be having the information about the account details there. Actually, you can transfer the details there. Once you transfer that, the successful transaction screenshot, as well as like the course join details and all those things, you can mail to my ID, so that I can be in a position to activate the course for you within 24 to 48 hours in this case. Okay. So if you don't have the credit card, if it is credit card, means it's an instant access will be given. If it is transfer, means you need to wait for at least 24 hours to get the access for this course. Fair enough? Those who are in the Tanjavur districts, they can come to my office also there. The address is also there in the site, right? You can just come to the office and then you can pay there also. Okay. The prices, whatever is there, it is inclusive of GST. Okay. There is no need to pay extra apart from the one what is displayed to you at the time of purchase. Okay. I created coupons, right, for these online recorded video sessions as well as instructor-led online session. You have to use a respective coupon there to make sure to avoid the discounts associated with the courses there. If you are joining on or before 30th of June 2019, okay, CBSE 102020 is the code. You have to use it to avail 75% discount for the online recorded video sessions. IL CBSE 102020 is the code. You have to use it to avail 50% discount for the instructor-led online sessions for the CBSE and mathematics. Fair enough? And this is the critical stuff which I included in my course, like 30 days money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied or not happy with any of the content there, then you can write to me, okay, within the first 30 days of your purchase, right? Then I will be in a position to give the refund for you. You'll be getting full refund for that. Fair enough? That's it from my end. The idea here is like I'm giving sessions at the nominal rate is like I just want to promote the online education. That's the first mantra I have it, first goal I have it. Okay, and also like those who are not in a position to pay more for better quality education, they should be given a level playing field here in this case, along with others who are in the position to give more money. So that's the second one. I just want to give back to the society. I have a lot of learnings in my life. Like, I just want to give back to the society. So that is why I included this money back guarantee, as well as deep discount of up to 75% for these recorded video sessions, and then for instructor led sessions it is 50% of the fees will be discounted in this case. Fair enough? Thank you very much. Happy day.